Okay, next is our next chapter is complementary angles. Complementary angles. So you have studied the angles, standard angles for trigonometrical ratios. So here is the trigonometrical ratios complementary angles. What are the complementary angles? Okay, so you have studied the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the standard angles you have studied in the previous class. Okay, now you have to study about the complementary angles. Okay, the concept of complementary trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. That is, two acute angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. Okay, so if you have saying two acute angles. What are acute angles? Yes, the angle which is less than 90 degree. So two angles are said to be complementary. Two acute angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So 30 and 60 degree are complementary. Why? Because 30 plus 60 is 90 degree. And also 70 and 20 are complementary because 70 plus 20 is 90 degree. And x and 90 minus x are complementary if x plus 90 minus x is 90 degree. Okay, so this is the complementary. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So 30, 60, 70, 20 and x, if we take x and 90 minus x as and also complementary angles. Okay, so for angle 48, if we say 48 is complementary, okay, if it has complement angle, what is it? Yes, 90 minus 48. What is that? 42. So 48 and 42 are complementary angles since its sum is 90 degree. So if we have given an angle and if you have to find the complementary angle, what do you do? Yes, we have to subtract the given angle by 90 from 90. Okay, so if we have given an angle theta, then its complementary angle is 90 minus theta. I hope all of you understood. So, okay, this is the complementary angle. And for the complementary angles for sine and cosine. Sine and cos. Okay, that is, if you are considering the triangle ABC, okay, here right angle triangle is there. So, angle B is 90 degree. And angle, if we have given angle C is theta, that is angle ACB is theta. And by geometry, we know angle CAB, angle A is 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta. So, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is AB by AC, and cos theta, that is cos 90 minus theta, that is the angle. Okay, so cos 90 minus theta is AB by AC. Base by hypotenuse. What is the base? Sorry, BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC. And then you have to, from the equation 1 and 2, sin theta is equal to sin cos 90 minus. Okay, that is 90 minus theta is there. So the base is also AB. Okay, that is, yes, the base is AB and which is AB by BC. So these two are equal. So sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Okay, cos 90 minus theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is BC by AC. But cos 90 minus theta is, yes, AB by AC. That is given there. And what is sin 90 minus theta? Which is BC by AC. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is the main important result. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Cos 90 minus. So cos theta, sin theta is given. You can find cos 90 minus theta, which is its complementary. Okay, so for sin theta, the complementary is cos 90 minus theta, and for cos theta, the complementary is sin 90 minus theta. Okay, so this is the complementary angles for sine and cos. For cos, it is sin 90 minus theta, and for sine, it is cos 90 minus theta. So this is to be studied. And also, for tangent and cotangent, it is, what is that? For cot 90 minus theta, it is tan theta. Cot, tan. So for cot 90 minus theta, tan theta's complementary is cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta's complementary is tan 90 minus theta. So these are the main four, it is the most important four complementary angles. For sine, it is cos 90 minus theta. For cos, it is sin 90 minus theta. And for tan, it is cot 90 minus theta. And for cot is tan 90 minus theta. Okay? Yes, the next is secant and cosecant. What is for sec? For sec, it is cosec 90 minus theta, and for cosec, it is sec 90 minus theta. So these are the relationship between the trigonometrical ratios. That is the complementary angles for trigonometrical ratios. So I hope all of you understand. So this is the complementary. So if you have given the angle, if you have given the angles, you can find the cot, sine, cos, everything, all complementary angles. Okay, so for summarize, it is given there. Sin 90 minus 90 degree minus theta is cos theta, and cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta, and cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta. And also cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So this is the main important complementary angles for trigonometrical ratio. And if A and B are complementary angles, then A plus B is also 90 degree. Okay, so sin A is equal to cos B, cos A is equal to sin B. Yes, and also tan A, that is just as a generalization is given. Okay, so the first problem is, how will you find cosec 82 degree minus sec 82 degree? Okay, what you have to do is, yes, the complementary angle for cosec 82 is, yes, cosec 90 minus 8. What is cosec 90 minus 8? It is sec 8. So sec 8 minus sec 8 is 0. Okay? Yes. This is how you have to solve the problems. Next, sec 70 degree, sin 20 degree plus cos 20 degree, cosec 70 degree. So you can change sec 70 and cosec 70. 90 minus 20, then you will get the answer. Okay? Yes. It is 2. Similarly, the next question is sin 90 degree minus A plus, into cos 90 minus A is tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. For that, first you take the LHS, that is sin A, cos A sin A, and RHS is tan A by sec square A. Yes, you have studied in the previous class that 1 plus tan square A is sec square A in the previous chapter. Okay, so sin and also tan A is sin A by cos A. It is also studied. Okay, the sin A by cos A whole divided by, okay. Okay, so this is how it is solved, and so RHS is equal to LHS, so you will get the answer. And next question is cos 38 degree sec 90 degree minus 2A is equal to 1. So you have to find the angle A. For that, yes, cos 38 into cosec 2A. So we have taken sec 90 degree 2A as cosec theta. So you will get sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So we have substituting that. So we get cosec 2A. Then cosec 2A is 1 by 2A because cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, so it is 1 by sine 2A is equal to 1. And sine 2A is cos 38 degree. What is cos 38 degree? It is 90 minus 52 degree. So sine 2A is sine 52. That is 2A is 52 and A is 26 degree. Okay, it is easy. And the exercises. Okay, and this is just this chapter. Okay, this is the chapter, and the complementary angles to be studied and to solve these questions. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.